So in this video, I would like to show you how to add some sound effects to your game. So I'm going to take you through my assets folder first, and I have a sounds folder where I have some sounds here, and I think I'm going to do the achievement when I clear a level. I'll do collect point when I pick up a gem, and I'll do a jump sound. The pickup item, this will be, I don't have any like power-ups in the game yet, but I think if I add some power-ups, this is the sound I would use for like maybe getting a heart or something like that. And then I found a song in the and I put that into my music folder. So this is going to be my background music that plays while the game is going on. And if you're gathering your own sounds, you can do either WAV, the WAV, or OGG file formats. If you come across something like an MP3 that you want to use, you'll have to find some kind of tool to convert it before you put it into Pygame. All right, so I'm going to get out of the way and let's look at the code. All right, so the first thing I want to do is just load some sounds here. So I'm going to do I'll do a jump sound. I'll do jump sound, and it's pygame.mixer.sound, and then you just do the file path. And so it's assets sounds /jump WAV. Copy this, and so we'll do. I'm going to have a gem sound, and this will be my collect point, and then I'm going to have my level up sound, and this will be my achievement. I'm going to make sure I got all the file names right. So it's achievement, collect point, jump. Okay, so that looks good. And then it's just a matter of going ahead and playing them. So like if we want to play the jump sound, just find the place where your character jumps, and let's see. It's right in here. And I want to make sure that we don't want to just put it loose out here. This is where we're checking to see if we're actually on the ground and we're actually allowing the jumps. So this would be a great place to do it. We'll just do jump sound play. And I'm going to test this out real quick. All right, and so we got a jump sound. And so now I can just go through and let's see. I'll stay in the hero class, and let's see where here's the. Actually, different items might play different sounds. So I'm going to go to the gem, and in the apply class, I'll just say gem sound dot play. And so let's see if that works. Okay, we can jump, and all right, so seems to be working well. And so let's do one more for when we clear the level. So I'm going to go to, let's see, find out where we clear the level, and that's going to be, I want to do it right here where we set the stage to level complete. Right, not in the level complete stage, but we're looking for the moment the stage changes from playing to level complete. And I'll just say level up dot play. And I'll do this to test it. Probably should have like an oof sound or something for when I hit the enemy as well. I just didn't get one of those yet. And so here we go. Name level up. Oh, it's level up SND. Do this one more time. Oh, I hope I made it. Okay, so that seemed to work pretty well. One of the things that you might have noticed there is that the level up sound, basically ended, and I flipped to the next level immediately. So right here, when you set the countdown, I just kind of got lucky, and I set the countdown to 2 seconds, and it looks like my level up sound happened to be almost exactly 2 seconds long. But if your level up sound doesn't finish before the next level starts, all you have to do is change this number right here, and we can increase or decrease the amount of delay and give this sound time to finish. And by the way, decimal numbers are totally fine there. You can do, if you didn't want to do a full second increase, you can do that. All right. So if your sound doesn't quite work, then just play with that number. So now let's add some music to the game, and I want to do 2 ways of putting music in the game. So first off, I'm just going to go to, I'm going to go up to the top, and let's make a theme music. I'll just say I'll call it the theme. And for the music here, we're not actually going to load the sound. I just want to specify the path because the music streams in Python, whereas sounds all load before the game starts, and then they're all in memory, and then they play it when they need it. But the theme is going to stream off the disk as it plays the music will. So it's my theme is going to be assets / music / forgot what I called it. Cooking Mania. And so we're just specifying the path here. Maybe I'll do this. So we'll do the music. And when do we want the music to start? What I call that theme, right? Yeah. And so we'll go down to the start level function. I don't want to do it in the start game. I think I want the music to start playing once the level begins. And so I'm just going to go down to the very end of this. And I'll say Pygame. Mixer, music, load, and here I'm going to say the theme, and I'll say Pygame, mixer, music, play. And then I'm going to pass in -1, and -1, this is the number of times the music loops. So 0, it'll play once, and 1, it'll repeat one more time. And if you put in -1, then it just will loop infinitely. So let's see if we got music here. Assets, music, Cooking Mania, wave. I misspelled it. Extra letter, and so let's see. All right, so this game is sounding pretty epic. I'm going to get to the end here. There's going to be a little bit of a problem. Okay, so right there, when I got to the end of the level, you really couldn't hear the level up sound because the music was still, right, the theme was still playing. And so I think what I want to do is have the music stop once we clear a level. So I'm going to, let's see, this is the stage equals playing, reach goal, stage level complete. And so before we play the sound, I'm just going to say Pygame, mixer, music, stop. And so what should happen here is a little loud. I need to adjust that. All right, the music stopped, and we play the victory sound, and then it starts over at the new level.